Norman Kwong Su Lo is the eldest son of Joseph and Matilda Lo Keong, the first Chinese couple in Dunedin, where they operated a fancy goods store. The Lo Keongs brought up their 6 children to be part of wider New Zealand society, speaking English and attending public schools. Norman was New Zealand's first Chinese university graduate, and his younger brother Victor followed him to qualify as an engineer. Norman worked for the Dunedin Drainage Board after graduation and then went to England for further study. He was made a member of the Institute of Civil Engineers. When war was declared, Norman enlisted in England, joining the British section of the New Zealand Expeditionary Force. They joined the rest of the force in Egypt, and Norman served as a sapper with the engineers. Norman deployed to Gallipoli and then on the Western Front, but here he was gassed at the Somme. Norman suffered permanent damage to his health, but remained in France until the armistice and came home to New Zealand in January 1919. He subsequently gained work as an engineer in Shanghai, but the effects of his wartime gassing led to his death there in late 1921. He was buried in the British cemetery, but this was later cleared during the Cultural Revolution. Today the former cemetery is Jinyang Park, and Shanghai is coincidentally a sister city of Norman's hometown, Dunedin.